Welcome to a place where the earth touches the sky and the winds whisper ancient secrets. This is the heart of the Scottish Highlands, the Cairngorms National Park. If you have ever dreamed of wild, dramatic landscapes but wondered how difficult it actually is to experience them firsthand, you are in the right place. Hi everyone, welcome back to Let's Go and See. Today we are taking you on an incredible journey from the winding valley roads all the way up to the highest plateau in the United Kingdom. And the best part, you don't need to be a professional mountain climber to see these views. We are breaking down exactly how easy, smooth, and accessible this journey is for travelers of any age of fitness level. So sit back, relax, and let's go and see the magic of Scotland. Our journey begins with a road trip that feels like a movie. Getting to the Cairngorms is incredibly straightforward. If you are driving from Edinburgh or Glasgow, it's a beautiful, well-signed spot, 3-hour drive up north. The roads are wide, smooth, and offer plenty of safely laybys where you can pull over the snap a photo or simply take a deep breath of the crisp, clean mountain air. As we get closer to the base, the landscape transitions into dramatic peaks and vast glades. Keep your eyes peeled for local wildlife, from majestic red deer to the famous furry Highlands cow. Now let's talk logistics to make your trip completely stress-free. As you reach the mountain resort, you will find plenty of parking at the Coire car park, even during peak season. The parking system here is highly organized to keep mountain environment pristine and traffic flowing smoothly. The resort operates a dedicated coach system. Hop onto one of these comfortable resort shuttle buses. They run frequently and the staff are incredibly welcoming, ensuring a seamless transition from your car to lower station. This is the perfect time to make sure your cameras are charged, your jackets are zipped up, because the weather changes quickly up here, and your tickets are ready for the highlight of our journey. Catch ඕනද? Catch නැද්ද? ගෙදරද? මේ මම ගෙවන්නද? Trail එකේ තියෙනවා mountain garden තියෙනවා, walking trails තියෙනවා, snow sport hire තියෙනවා, right the base, Marina base station එක. අපි වන ට්‍රේන් ටිකට් එක අරගෙන තියෙන්නේ දැන් යන්න තියෙන ට්‍රේන් එකේ ස්කොට්ලන්ඩ්ස් only a mountain resort. මෙතන මේ ස්ටොප් sorry ස්කී කරන්න Here it is, the famous Cairngorm Mountain Railway. This is the highest funicular railway in the United Kingdom, and it is an engineering marvel. It takes you from the base station up to the top station, climbing over 450 meters in just about 5 to 6 minutes. Look out of these massive panoramic windows as the train effortlessly glides up the tracks. The entire valley opens up beneath us. You can see for miles across the national park, over shimmering logs and ancient pine forests. It's completely accessible for wheelchair and strollers, meaning absolutely nobody in your family has to miss out on the grandeur of the Scottish summit. It's smooth, quiet and completely effortless.
Turn right, go up the steps. At the top, you will see on the right-hand side the doors out onto the mountain. On the left-hand side, the double doors into the ptarmigan restaurants. And straight ahead, the stairs that take you down to the shop and the toilets. As you get off the train, remember there's a little gap between the train and the platform, so try not to fall down there. And take your time going up the steps. They're getting a little bit more wet now with the passage of many.
Yeah. ඔන්න යාළුවනේ අපි එළියට යනවා. පාර බරයිනේ මම යන්නද?
මෙතන බලාගෙන යන්න ඕනේ කකුල. No toys at the first. Tasha, can you wait please?
It's okay. And just like that, we have arrived at the upper mountain station, over 1,000 meters above sea level. Welcome to the top of Scotland. Up here at the Ptarmigan building, you are treated to breathtaking 360-degree views that will stay with you forever. There is a fantastic viewing terrace to safely take in the mountain air, an interactive exhibition to learn about this unique ecosystem, and even a cozy cafe where you can enjoy a hot cup of tea or coca while staring out at the clouds.
Aneh kakek.
Hati-hati.
Kanin dulaj.
Thank you so much for exploring the Cairngorm with us today. If this video helped you visualize your own Scottish adventure, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Let's Go and See, and drop a comment below letting us know if Scotland is on your travel bucket list. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and we will see you in the next video. Let's go and see!